We're on site at this gun store and we have 6 Unify Protect cameras to install, 1 NVR, 2 switches, and a whole bunch of cables to run, and I only have 1 hour to help this client out, so let's see how much we can get done in this hour. That way the client has less work to do. We have a whole slew of Ubiquiti products that we'll be installing. We have a small network setup as well that ties into our Eero Wi-Fi system. If you saw part 1 of this series, I set everything up. I posted that video recently, but today we're actually doing the actual install of everything. Part 1 of this project was pre-configuring all of the Unify gear that we received. And today is the actual test. Did our hard work pay off? Are we able to get this system online in the gun store? Since this is a gun store now, it's very important that we have high quality cameras so we're able to see who's coming in and who's coming out, especially in the event of if somebody breaks in or whatever. So it's going to be very nice to have a good security camera system, so let's get that installed. At this point, we have 1 cable ran. It's going all the way over here and it's coming down, and we're going into the flex switch right there. It's going decently well so far. There's a lot of cables to run, unfortunately. More of running cables than actually mounting cameras. We've not mounted a single one yet. It's 10 o'clock. I have to be done by 11, so we'll see how that goes, but we're making progress. And this is kind of the process of what we had to go through. There's a lot of ladder moving, and you had to basically fish the cable over the installation and over the rafters themselves. So this was not a very easy installation, unfortunately, but thankfully the client did most of the work here. I did this job for free, so please know that I'm not just slacking here. I was limited on time, and I helped him spec out the system, and he was very happy with the outcome. So we have the Unify Flex switch that we're going to use on the opposite side of the building. What this allows us to do is we have 1 cable coming down from the ceiling, and we're able to feed this switch, power the switch with PoE++ power, but additionally we are able to power PoE+ on all the 4 remaining ports. So that's going to allow us to basically split off this 1 Ethernet cable, making it a lot easier than running a ton of cables all the way back to where the switch is. So we're going to split this off. We're going to have 1 camera mounted above me. We'll have 1 camera on the opposite side of the room, and we'll have the Unify viewport also on that side of the room. So this is going to consolidate the cabling going back to the main switch and save us on switch ports because we are limited to just the 8 ports on the Unify Ultra switch. So we have the system booting up now. We are going to start plugging everything in together. So this is again where all of the cables are going to run. We have the Ultra switch right here. This is kind of the brains of the operation. Our Eero router is over there on the side, and that's kind of what's feeding the network. It's wirelessly meshed to the one downstairs. So this whole setup is going to run off of an Eero mesh. Hopefully we'll fix that in the future, but budgets are a thing. The UNVR is also sitting up here with the 1 hard drive for now. All of our cables are going to come in here. There's going to be a wall plate on the side once they get the walls and ceiling on. We are going to go and do 3 more cameras on the interior of the building, 1 more on the outside, and in the future we'll do an additional one on the outside as well. Okay, so we have our first camera mounted all the way up here, and this is the G6 bullet camera. We got the black color, that way it kind of blends in with the building. This is the 3rd story of the building, which is kind of interesting. The business is up here at the top. The camera is looking directly down on some stuff out back. Let's go ahead and go inside, and we'll take a look at the other camera that we had mounted so far. This up here is the G5 Turret Ultra camera. It's temporarily mounted up in the rafters, and we will go ahead and finish the install of the rest of the indoor cameras here soon. Additionally, we do have the USW flex switch hanging down from up there, and that is going to power 2 of the cameras, this one over here and that one over there, as well as our viewport. And the viewport is an interesting point because I was going to get the Unify Instant NVR, but the problem with that was, although it does have the HDMI port integrated, we would be maxing out the capacity of the NVR. So we decided to go with the UNVR, the 1st generation. The 2nd gen has since came out since recording this video, and we're using the UNVR with the viewport to be able to put the monitor in a different location than the NVR. And that's a wrap for today. We mounted 2 cameras temporarily, mounted the outdoor camera, the 3rd one permanently outside. We have the network set up and ready to go. The switches are using the layer 3 adoption, so we do have remote management of those. The switches are also in position of where they will be in the future, and everything is online. So that is a success. We will come back in the future and wrap up this project with the rest of the cameras. We're going to order 2 additional cameras. We're going to get a 3rd outdoor camera and a 5th indoor camera as well. So that is all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.